In this quick guide, I will show how to buy shares of MidCap Financial Investment Co., listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MFIC. MidCap Financial Investment Co. is a mid-cap firm in the financial services sector, and this video is educational only, not investment advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will generally need to verify your account with an ID document and then add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MFIC to locate the company listing. Confirm you select the MidCap Financial Investment County entry associated with the NASDAQ exchange. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Double-check the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. To buy, choose the invest or trade action and enter the amount you want to spend or the number of shares. Review the order, confirm the details, and submit. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your MFIC position will appear in your portfolio for tracking. For convenience, the example link to eToro is in the video description if you want to explore the platform further.